Hello guys, today I'll be showing you the source code of how I managed to draw my car, this car here, this car over here. It's kinda a car for kids, but it's written with code, it's not Photoshop. So I was using P5. I downloaded P5 from their official website and then I linked it to my HTML5, which is car.html. This is how I linked it, and then I wrote my code down using the predefined P5 functions. So let me show you the source code. In case of anything, can comment. I'll reply or send you feedback on how to solve your problem. So let me show you the source code. So I've commented so that my code is easy readable, can understand what's going on. So that's it. To draw the car frames, I use the begin shape and end shape functions, these, and then my lines went in between these two functions. So let me remove it. So these are, I was using vertex and then assigned x coordinate and y coordinate. So these coordinates were plotted on a graph and then joined to make a car frame. So this is it. I started with begin shape and then I ended it. These are my plotting points which are joined to make a car frame. Here I was giving no stroke to remove the outline of the shapes. So I use again begin shape and end shape functions.
You make me jump like kangaroo.
to draw my car window, this car window here. It was drawn with that function. And then for the left door handles and right door handle, this is the code. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. For those who never watched P5, I have a video about P5. Please check it out. Okay, bye.
We have refused, basizifunye